Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the traffic rider on your phone. No jailbreak or computer is needed. So as you can see, guys, look how much money I have. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. I'll turn the camera around so you guys can see, but this is super insane, guys, and it's fully working. So keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version of the traffic rider onto your phone. No jailbreak or computer. So let's get right into the tutorial. Alright guys, so as you can see in the traffic rider, I'm super rich. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version. So let's get right into the tutorial. So what you want to do, guys, is go to this website. It's called ZooMods, and it has a ton of like modded apps and modded games. So let me just type this in right here. So it's ZooMods. So anyways, once you're on this site, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in traffic rider. So let me just do that right here. And as you can see, it says traffic rider mod. So just press on that and wait for it to download. If you got like a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, because I have no money in this game, guys. And now I am super rich. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's super insane, guys, and it fully works. So if we go to the search bar and just type in traffic rider, as you guys can see, it is super expensive, which is why I don't really like encourage spending money on this game, because it's just way too expensive. So yeah, be sure to go ahead and try this method out for yourself. And remember, guys, all we gotta do is go to ZooMods, and then once you're there, guys, just go to the search bar and type in traffic rider, and you're gonna be all good to go. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. It's super insane, guys, and this fully works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's super crazy, and I'm a millionaire now. I'm so happy. So yeah, be sure to try this out, guys. It's super crazy and it fully works. So as you can see, guys, look how much money I have. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to get the word out. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel, because this is super crazy and it fully works. So enjoy the video and subscribe, guys, and peace out.